Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to Milestone Credit Card login, and all we have to do is to head on over to your web browser, and for me I'm going to choose the one that is here at my device, and then we're going to search for Milestone Credit Card login. From there we are going to tap on this website. From there, in the case that you did log into this Milestone credit card, you're going to tap on these three lines, and then you're going to tap on my account. As you can see, I do not have, but in the case that you do have, you will just be able to log in to your account. But for those who do not have, we are going to tap on apply now. From there, we are going to fill in our information. Then we are going to tap on accept. From there, we're going to tap on accept. Then we are going to scroll down again, and then we're going to tap on accept. From there, we are going to tap on submit application, and that's how we can be able to log into our Milestone credit card. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next video.